This functionality is for the Developer CRM, and it is where the information on the agreement between your developer and other agencies to rent or sell your listings is stored. Each of the agencies that you work with should be added as a company record, and each of the brokers added as contacts in their respective companies. These fields allow you to keep track of which agencies you have contracted to sell or rent your listings, and what the status of these contracts are, as well as how much commission you have agreed to pay them. Agreement type shows if they have an exclusive, joint or open mandate, or no agreement at all. Agreement status allows you to see at what stage of the signing process you are, or if the agreement is active or expired. Commission rate allows you to save the percentage, amount, or any other agreed upon rate of compensation that you have agreed with this agency. Agreement start and end date allows you to see when the agreement was first active and if it has an expiry date. By using the Views Agreement Status, Active, Pending, and Expired agencies, you can get a quick overview of the general status of your agreements and easily see which agencies have agreements that are going to expire soon.